Outdoor Elements year-end sale is on now.
Keep watching to see how much you can save.
Welcome back to the MEMO Vancouver Island. We're having some fun in the tube park today. Want to remind you Gold Pass holders to use your free tube and your 450% off tickets before the season is over. Woo! As you can see, we were out having some fun in the tube park, and the motion stability of that camera footage just does not do the experience justice. Get out for some snow sliding fun yourself Thursday to Monday. If you still have cyber sale deals or pass holder perks to use up, now's your chance.
$2, ton of fun. Yeah!
March is delivering some snowfall, and we're getting ready to close out the season with some awesome community events. This Sunday is Beach Dress Up Day. Coming up the following weekend is the final night ski of the year on Sunday, and we have our pass holder barbecues and Nordic Fest happening that weekend. During the pass holder barbecue Saturday, you'll have your chance to win your 2022-23 season pass during our poker run. Passes are on sale now, by the way. It's sad to say, but once you're up here for your last visit of the season, take your gear over to the shop at the demo center for a spring storage tune-up.
That's right. We'll keep your skis and snowboards sharpened for $39. Get you going until the fall.
Also starting this Friday, March 18th, we're selling off this season's Rosin Mill demo gear for 30% off.
Come by and check out the selection of skis while they last.
Now what's this about a retail sale over at Outdoor Elements?
Come visit our team and we'll help you find what you're looking for.
Exactly, there's jackets, gloves, 30% off, and more on sale until the end of the season. Then closing weekend, event favorites Dumbing Downhill and Slush Cup are back. We're so excited to close out the season with you all. Find all the details you need at mountwashington.ca. See you next week.